take a look. Let's see where this guy's at. I think it's locked from the outside. Look at him walking around out there. See him way behind the tree line. Little does he know, I can't let him into this door. So when he comes here, he's gonna find out because there's a lock up there. Go around. Think he's doing a video. Me and my brother are always working. If you're looking to join a team, people who work all the time, have fun doing the business. Hey, you gotta go around.
Oh, I gotta go around.
There's a lock up there. Get away from my house. What's this guy thinking? Anyway, if you want to invest in real estate and you're looking to run the numbers, I think that there's a lot of opportunity right now, and just keep looking for that one house that needs to be updated. If you're looking to figure out the numbers, you know who to call. My name is Dave. You can't even get to the basement of this house, but you got to think. You might need a new furnace. You might need new electrical, plumbing, and the roof definitely needs to be done. However, after it's done, there is some room here where somebody could make a profit.